Young Living sent me this cleaning solution. So the neat thing about this is it has some essential oils and is an all-purpose cleaner. I get excited when I hear essential oils because I assume that means it'll probably smell pretty good. So um, the presentation is pretty minimal, just two colors and some good design. On the back, it's kind of covered up, but it apparently has the center flavors of cinnamon. I believe that's clove. And trying to look behind the sticker, for me it looks like lemon. It probably says so also on the packaging as well. So, or also the product listing. It talks about what it's made with, the ingredients and directions, which I do need to look at the directions. I imagine this is just apply and wipe down, but I could be wrong. So here is the lid. I don't know if you're supposed to poke that and then squirt it out, but let me read the instructions and I'll quickly let you know. So I did end up taking the sticker off the back, and for one, yes, lemon is the other ingredient, but it looks like this is supposed to be used in conjunction with water, and for different, I guess, cleaning situations, you're supposed to I guess most cleaning situations you use water and then pour a bit of this in it. It has like a this to this amount of water. So I'm assuming that yes, you do poke a hole in there and then you mix it with water. And even before opening it, the cinnamon smell is very strong. So there's a quick look at that. I'll probably just leave it there for now. I don't have a bucket or water ready on hand, but I think it smells pretty good, and outside already looks pretty nice, and I think people have had good experiences with this. And yeah, I think you will as well.